I believe that technology solutions, when implemented correctly, can have a huge impact on the way we live. I have been passionate about finding innovative, creative, and unique solutions to the problems that our customers encounter, be they technology problems or business problems. My name is Abhijit Anand, and I'm the CEO and founder of Zindagi Technologies. I founded Zindagi in 2017, prior to which I worked 14 years in different avatars. I worked as a software developer, as a technical support engineer, as a design engineer, and then I moved over to technical sales. During these 14 years, I had a chance to plan, design, implement, operate, and manage large-scale data center networks, cloud solutions, and automation solutions, which genuinely created a difference in our customers' operations and improved people's lives. Many years ago, an armed forces customer came to me with a very interesting requirement. They had recently procured a bunch of Cisco routers and they had mounted them on these armored vehicles which were posted on forward posts of the country. The requirement was that they should have a physical button on the router, and if they were to press that button, they should be able to wipe off the configuration of the router. That's what the protocol was. And the challenge was that there was no such button available on the router. And this was a recent procurement and they couldn't give these routers back to get a new one. And I was given the task to find a solution. Well, I thought about it, and what I eventually did was I took a bed switch, a doorbell switch with the one that has a spring in it. And I connected that doorbell switch to an RJ45 cable, and I connected that to the PRI port of a router. What used to happen was that when you used to press that button, that triggered an alarm on the router, triggered a syslog event on the router. A script that I wrote caught hold of the event and thereby fired a command on the router that erased the entire configuration and thereby solved the customer problem. I tested it and it worked flawlessly, and then it was implemented all across this armed forces network. Over the years, they found a more refined way to implement this solution. There were numerous instances such as this where the use of right technologies, right techniques, and right tools not only helped in increased business value, reduced downtime, but at the end of the day, they ended up improving and saving people's lives. These instances and the impact that they had on me is what caused me to create this company, so that I could leverage technology solutions and services to impact people's lives. In fact, that's where the name Zindagi comes from. Zindagi in Hindi or Urdu means lives. I'm a first generation entrepreneur. My mom's been a teacher all her life. My dad's a doctor. When I started the company, the only seed money that I had was basically the cash that I had in my bank and whatever money was left in my Provident Fund account. It was not smooth sailing at first. You can understand that when I went to my parents, they of course opposed the decision of starting this company. A lot of my work back then involved meeting customers, prospecting them, understanding their business requirements, understanding their technical requirements, and then proposing a solution. Now, understandably so, many customers turned me down, saying that you're a company that's not even a year old and how do we trust you? It took some time for me to understand that the bedrock of any relationship is trust. And I realized that if I have to be successful, if I have to add value, I have to build that relation of deep-rooted trust with my customers. Our turning point, I would say that after a lot of struggles, the turning point for Zindagi was when we won a PO for implementing the private cloud of India's National Informatics Center. That required us to set up and design a private cloud infrastructure which would then be responsible for providing self-service portals to host e-governance applications for this great nation. it was an opportunity that we grasped with both hands, and I think once that was successfully implemented, that cemented our position as an organization with strong fundamentals, a professional services organization and a managed services organization that has the deep-rooted fundamentals of serving our customers. Over the past few years, we've had numerous opportunities to serve customers who range from enterprises to small businesses to armed forces customers, national and state data centers, where we've made a difference. During the first lockdown of the COVID-19 pandemic, I remember a customer required their entire workforce of around 80,000 employees to work from home, and they hadn't adopted the work from home culture prior to the lockdown, and they reached out to us. They said that they require our help. What did we do? We set up a tiger team of engineers and consultants, and we worked 24/7 to make sure that we deploy a remote access solution for them so that their entire workforce becomes productive and start working from home during lockdown. Yeah, I think that's one special milestone that comes to mind. At Zindagi, our mission is to empathize with our customers' needs and then come up with innovative solutions that solve their business and technical problems, and then blend into their IT teams so that we become one and we make them realize that we are vested in their success. Zindagi is an IT consulting and systems integration organization with the capability to deliver end-to-end IT infrastructure solutions and services. We deliver high-performance services to help your business embrace innovation and tackle the ever-changing challenges of today's digital world. Based on your strategic objectives, we focus on business outcomes in software engineering, advanced technology, development teams, digital consulting and solution operations. Our managed cybersecurity services include protection from cyber attacks and 24/7 incident response in case of any indication of compromise to your IT systems. Our cloud consulting experts can help you leverage the cloud to reduce infrastructure cost, streamline workflows and enhance productivity. We provide and deliver upon elaborate cloud adoption strategies that cover both the technology and the business aspects of moving to the cloud. Our multi-domain experience and solid expertise in a wide variety of technology stacks makes us a trustworthy partner for innovation-intensive projects of any scale involving artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoT, data engineering, and any emerging technology solutions such as computer vision, robotic process automation, etc., etc. I genuinely believe that people do business with people whom they trust. That trust becomes the bedrock of a long-term relationship. Relationships develop when your service provider works on ensuring that you get the best possible customer service experience. Customer service experience go up when every decision that your vendor makes, every outcome that they measure is measured on how well it serves you as a customer. When your vendor doesn't act like a vendor, but like a partner with a single-minded focus of making you succeed. Zindagi is that partner for our customers. A partner for whom our customers use words like, it's a delight to work with them. They're collaborative. They're just a phone call away. They're responsive. They're reliable. And my personal favorite, we trust them. Zindagi Technologies. Trust, technology, transformation.